This is the Service Delivery Volume Results Worksheet of the C4P Success Tool. As you can see, it's providing you information that you need to be able to cost out your service delivery activities. The first thing you'll see is you'll get the total actual number of primary screenings that have been completed over each year. And you'll see that that adds up here to this number. The numbers that you're getting here come from a number of different sources. First of all, it considers what your target population is. Secondly, it considers what your screening goals are. And third, it considers whether or not you have the capacity to meet the service requirements. If you do not have the capacity to meet the service requirements, then you will get a big red cell showing, like you'll see down here, with yellow bold italic fonts. So you can see here also, besides giving you the actual number of primary screenings that have been completed, that you'll see the actual number of primary screenings completed cumulatively. So you'll see over the years that that number increases until you get your final 7,739,242 screenings actually completed. It will also tell you what your actual cumulative coverage is. And here you see it's 10, 28, 50, 70, 93, and 93% for the total here. Now, if that didn't meet your coverage that you had as a goal, it will also turn red here to let you know that you didn't reach your goal. Next, it will tell you the actual number of follow-up triage screenings completed. Again, this will consider not only what you have allocated to each of the types of follow-up or triage screenings that you want to do, as well as your capacity to provide those services. So here you'll see we have the capacity to provide those services, and you'll see the total here of all of the numbers of follow-up triage screenings that you've completed over the years. You'll finally see the actual number of treatments that have been completed, cryotherapy and thermal ablation in this case, and LEAP. You'll notice, again, in this case, we did not have enough thermal ablation services available to be able to complete what we needed to complete. So you'll see that this is the actual number we completed, but you'll also see that it was not the number that we needed to complete to meet our goals of screening and treatment of the people who we were going to be screened. So this tells you here that you should look at your capacity in the next section, which is your infrastructure and capacity. And here we have LEAP, and you see we have enough there. So only here, again, you're going to see that there may be an issue. Also, it will provide you the number of comprehensive cancer staging, diagnosis, and referral required here. So it'll tell you that even though we aren't costing out the comprehensive cancer staging, diagnosis, and referral services, this will be useful for your wider services planning and costing.